Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Tumblr mockups in Canva. So if you're looking for how to make Tumblr mockup in Canva, then you are at right. So I have created this thumbnail and I use these Tumblr in Canva. So I will show you how you can do it. So we have a new page here. We need an application in Canva, which is here in the app section. You have to write in the discover section, you have to write mockups, simple mockups, and then you have to install this application which is created by Canva. So here in this section you will see a lot of mockups. So for Tumblr you have to go to packaging section and click on see all. Here you have to go down and you will see this one. This one is related similar to Tumblr, so you have to select this one. You can increase the size of Tumblr as well, and now you have to put your design here. So simply go towards upload, and here you can upload your files. I have these 3 files already uploaded in Canva, so I'm going to just drag the first one here. As you can see, I have this first one, the first mockup here. Now I'm going to copy it and paste it. Let's see if it's working. Yes. So here in the second section, I'm going to use this white branding, and in the third one, I'm going to use the pink one. So in this way, you can create Tumblr mockups. You can also change the size. So if you want to click on select the mockup and then click on edit, and here you can choose what you want. So if you want to make it fill, simply click it and then click on apply changes. Okay, so in this way you can make Tumblr mockups in Canva. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.